Hello, silly people of the internet. I'm coming at you with another bad dragon toy review, or toy unboxing, I should say. Well, I guess it's kind of a two-in-one. I know I said last time that I probably wouldn't be buying anymore because I'm running out of room for them. But gracious of the gods, because they released an Ovipositor, so I kind of had to get it. I don't really have a choice in the matter. I just kind of had to, right? But also, I don't know how this is gonna go because joys be the gods. My mother is now working at home, basically every day, all day, just a little bit right outside my room. So I'm not really too sure how I'm supposed to review it because my floor is carpet. I guess I could be on my bed. I don't fucking know. I don't know if I explained this in the past, but these kind of toys don't really do it for me. So I mostly just bought it for the novelty of being an ovipositor. I really don't expect much to get much use out of it because I really don't find much enjoyment in these things, despite having fantasies. But oh well. So let's just start opening this up. I'm not too sure if they provided much of the how do you say gelatin for the make the eggs. They got the egg molds. I bought the packet that had the egg molds, but I don't know if they came with any gelatin. I also realized I'm probably gonna have to blur out the box because it's probably showing my address. Probably. I guess it's a question of, do I care enough to blur it out? I probably should. Is it? I have my tracking number, so you could definitely go find my address if you search up the tracking number. So I guess I'll have to. I need to stop using this knife. This knife sucks for opening boxes. It's not a cutting knife. It works a lot better. Okay. Yeah. Let's open this up. It's just during spooky time, so got the nice Bad Dragon spooky print, which is just orange. Here seems to be the egg mold. Let's get this opened. Oh, it's taped. Cool. Man, I can tell the audio levels are going to be all sorts of fucked up. But I've kind of stopped running a professional, at least pretending to be professional type deal here. So I don't really care. Man. There we go. That took way too much effort. Wow, I'm not recording this very well. I am really tired. Come on. Okay, so this is how the egg stuff is, I guess, gonna be packaged. It's very packaged. It's very much packaged. So yeah, they give you 6. It's an egg molded of 6. I guess you make the stuff. You put, I don't know how you do it. I hope that they give you like stuff, but then you put the stuff in here, and I guess you probably inject it in. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe that's just an air hole. I really hope they have some sort of instructions in here, or I'm gonna be really, really sad. Oh yeah, this came with some clear lube. Oh yeah, I think during this time period they'd also give you 4 or 5 minis. So let's see that. I gotta hold off on the main attraction as long as possible, am I right? So let's get these out. I'm actually not too sure where to put these. I think this is one of their newer toys. I don't really know what it is. Oh, this is one of their old toys. It's like the Xeno Dragon. That's kind of cool. What's this one? Oh, is this a Rochi? Maybe. I don't think so. I think that's one of the other ones. And this is John. I don't know. It's something with a foreskin. And this one I already have. It's... Actually, no, this is Janie. I think the other one I have is Sophia. Yeah, I got a Sophia mini when I got the Sophia. And then this is, I think, Jane. So, 2 mouths now. Not really sure where to put them, but I have them. Oh, they also got you more soap. The top came off. Cool. And I think we're almost at the main attraction. There should be... Oh, there is. It's in there. Oh, got a little card. How quaint. How very quaint. Is this going to be as heterosexual as the last card they gave me? As queer as the cool kids say? As skibbity? Skibbity, yeah, skibbity's a good one. I think they've just been hyping up the Mothman because they just released it. Oh, that's actually not a bad sticker. It's very unique. That's cool. I'll probably not go anywhere. Let's see. Pitch a tent and get wild this fall with some guys. I don't know who they are. Of course, got the adverts. They were definitely gearing up for Mothman. I think they were just kind of teasing him, and they released him recently. Yeah, here's the packaging. Let's open up this toy. And 7 minutes in, and we haven't even opened up a toy yet. I'm getting very slow on these. Oh, here's the plunger. That'll be nice for pushing the eggs. And finally, the piece of resistance is the egg depositor. It looks pretty nice. It's got a nice opening for the eggs. You know, you got that, which can come out. Getting this in feels like it'd be a pain. That's where the eggs go, I guess. You probably need to lube this up. Oh, for sure. I guess if you're into, like, docking or whatever the term is, you could probably use this toy for that. I'm not going to, because that's disgusting. Unfortunately, it seems like there is not only no egg. I should leave this on camera because you guys are horny. Not only is there not any egg gelatin makeys, there's no instructions on how to make them. So I'm gonna have to research that and get back to y'all on that. So I guess now comes the review part. Okay, I have just made the eggs. No, I didn't come in them at all. No. I don't think they're gonna come out good. I really don't think I did that good of a job with them. But I was on a time crunch. Because luckily my parents left this night, the night they could start opening this up. So I don't really have much time to make them because I wanted to make them before they came back. I get this going before they came back. So I'll open these up in a second. Oh, I also wanted to, I don't think I actually gave much detail over this thing. It's kind of like a robotic-y type look, cyborg-ish kind of, I don't know. I don't really know. Well, it seems like they're kind of going for something like that one Robo Dragon they had going on. Same with the eggs. You can't see the detail on the outside. I'll see if these are any good. We'll see if you can actually see those details. I for most of them I only got about half full because I kind of fucked up with the pouring. So I don't even know how usable these are going to be, which sucks. I think I only have like one good egg in here. I probably should just focus on filling the egg just filling as many eggs, filling as many eggs as I could to full, instead of just trying to fill as many eggs as possible. Because I think that messed me up a bit. Also seems like there's a lot of bubbles. That's not good. So let's see if I can't take this out. Okay, cool. You can kind of see it's going for a cyborgish kind of, or like a synthetic egg kind of look. It's really cool. I don't know if I'll ever be able to do this again, just due to time things, but yeah. I guess what comes now is me. Oh, that egg is stuck in there. Ooh boy. I guess what comes now is me actually recording the review. So yeah, I will get on that. I guess if you want to see me get fucked, join my server. I guess I don't really know. Up to you. Man, I thought this bowl was gonna be bigger. Whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. And yeah, cool. I guess when we come back to this, I'll give my review. Well, I can certainly say this about the toy, and it's definitely unique. I would say that I still need to get used to things like these. It doesn't. I was making a lot of noises. I don't know if I was necessarily feeling pleasure. A lot of it did come from, I guess, pain, but I'm also not used to taking things like this. So yeah, I can, honestly, I really shouldn't be reviewing these type of toys. They're not really my cup of tea, but I can say with confidence that if you like dildos, you'll like this toy. It actually does a really good job of getting this stuff into you. I guess if you like knots or you can take knots, you can feed yourself several knots because that toy gets quite big with those eggs. Yeah, so I very much can recommend. It's definitely not a beginner toy. And I'm a beginner, so this didn't go like the best, but it went, and it went fine enough. Now I have to figure out how to clean everything up because yeah, parents are home, and I now have to somehow clean that and the mess over there, which I'm not showing. It's not much of one, but I'd rather not show it. In fact, I don't even know if I can I can post the review process just due to what happened. We'll see. It depends on what shows up on camera, but for now, I can say that if you like insertables and if you like eggs, this is a good choice. So I'll leave it there. Have a good day, y'all.